Hello my creative friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Sarokina, and in this quick tutorial I will show you step by step how to create an amazing sketch plan with markers in only 10 steps. So let's get started. First and foremost, we should define our light source. Let's imagine that it's located somewhere to the left. That's why all our shadows will drop to the right, and this is our first step. Shadows. So you can put some shadows with your gray marker. I would recommend you to use neutral gray number 2 or number 3, so it would be not very dark, not too light. It's just perfect in my opinion. Here I use chartback markers. And an important note, classic approach is to arrange your shadows at 45 degrees angle, and as you can see I use it here. All my shadows drop at 45 degrees angle. And yes, please do not forget the shadows in the bathroom. Well, it was our step number 1, shadows, and the most important one. Alright, so step number 2 is flooring. Let's say that we have a nice timber flooring here, and we will show its basic color with white nib of the marker. Here I use warm gray color number 2. Do not forget to put your colors on the shadows. Always remember to do it because it will make shadows look more natural. Right now I'm filling up with this violet color tiling in the bathroom area, and now I want to add some details. So for example, I want to show with my regular pencil some pieces of parquet, these planks. Well, when we are done with this kind of routine work, we can switch to our step number 3, which I call diversity. Here we can use the same color. In my case it's warm gray number 2, and we can put second layer with it to make this flooring area, this timber, look more natural. Alright, so step number 4 is flooring details, and here we want to focus on this beautiful wooden texture, and I'm doing it with my regular pencil. To be true, wooden texture is my favorite texture in interior design drawing. Alright, step 5, white pen details. So here I use my white ink gel pen, and actually this step is not that necessary, but it really do add some nice details, especially for tiling, and it accents the light in this scene. Alright, now I'd love to zoom a little bit all this situation so you can see it all in details. Alright, and now step number 6 is all about furniture. Here you can select any color you like and fill in with it furniture, some objects in the scene like chairs, armchair, bed, pillows. You can add some stripes to textile on the bed. Okay, now we continue with our textures in the drawing. So for example, now I'm hand rendering carpet texture with these little dots. Next texture will be glass texture, and it's really fun to create. First of all, we should show that our glass is transparent. That's why I put some basic color of our tiling to it, and then I show glass texture on tabletop by putting marker strokes diagonally. You can do it with regular pencil or with any light gray marker. Very good. So step number 7 stands for furniture details, and yes, it's my favorite stage, it's my favorite step. So we should add some shadows to the furniture, own shadows, drop shadows, and show some details with black liner. If you don't have liners, you can easily use black ink gel pens, for example, but if you would love to purchase some liners, my top favorite choice is Copic Multiliner. I really adore it. Also you can use Faber-Castell liners, they are also great, but here I even don't remember the brand of this liner. Okay, step number 8 is framing. And here you can start framing your sketch with a black liner first to outline the silhouette, and yes, switch to step number 9 is finish your framing. So easy. Amazing. And our final step, step number 10, stands for final details, and it's also one of my favorite steps because you can add some cool details to your masterpiece. I usually use for these purposes white ink gel pen or white pastel pencil or white colored pencil. It's really fun. So ta-da! My congratulations! Your first sketch plan is done! So these were my 10 steps of creating an amazing sketch plan with markers your clients would fall in love with. So my dear friend, let me know, was it easy? Was it tough? Would you like to try to draw this kind of sketch plan? Please let me know in the comments below. Plus, on my website, you can download this PDF I created specially for you in Keynote. And now it's time for your bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your creative friends, maybe on Facebook, on social media. And at the very end, I want to invite you to join my completely free online challenge. It's a mini course on perspective drawing. So if you are an interior designer or interior design student, it would be great for you. So direct link is in the description box below. So see you there. Bye for now. And of course, my dear friends, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.